Everyone, this is Ivor from CF Affiliates. Thanks for coming on to YouTube and Facebook and everywhere else you're seeing me, which is cool. Look, I just thought I'd run you through a couple of things because what is ClickFunnels is the main purpose of this video. So I use it for a lot of different things, generating leads for businesses, selling products online, anything at all that you want to sell your product or service to people, this is the platform for you. So basically, it's everything you need. It's a full marketing suite. There's pretty much nothing you will need if you have a full ClickFunnels account. There's a CRM system built in. You can do follow-up emails. You can set up multiple cart options with follow-up funnels. Just do straight leads for your business. Put some videos in there, who you are, what you are. Please get in contact with me. Traffic to ClickFunnels, super easy to do. It integrates with everything. Facebook marketing, Bing, Google Ads, it doesn't matter. Payment gateways, there's 9 currently. So there's more than one opportunity to collect payments from different forums. I think one of the new things as well is Apple Pay, which is cool. You can attach QR codes to this so you can scan directly back to the funnel to take people on a logical journey. There's so much you can do with this. So what I'm going to show you is a quick run through on a watch giveaway that I do personally in one of my businesses. Now, this is a simple funnel. If you're watching this, imagine your niche or your business and how you can offer some value, a logical element of a prospect's value ladder, which we'll get into later, that they're interested in. So what we've got is basically it's a simple contents funnel. We have an opt-in page, which I'll show you in 1 second, and then after that it's just a simple thank you page. Legally, you have to add in your privacy policy, terms, conditions, that type of thing, which you can do very easily. If you're doing a lot of these type of competitions, you can set up generic forms for your company, so you don't have to reinvent them every time. So basically, all you can do is change the opt-in. The thank you page can be the same if it's all from the same company. So literally, you can duplicate multiple streams of different opt-in competitions in this case to generate leads for your business, sell some products, just get some email addresses. Now, how that looks is this is the typical layout of that funnel I just showed you. Now, this is the actual live version. People will come here. I'm targeting on Facebook people interested in fitness and sports watches. That's it. This happens to be a sports watch that I sell a lot of. I've got one. It's great. I've given it away for free like I have here. People have purchased it, so I know it's good quality. It's not very expensive, which means I'm giving this away every few months. So you don't want it to cost me a lot of money. Now, why I'm using this as a lead gen opt-in is because I want people to come here, enter the competition. The biggest thing I want to do is grab their email address. Now, I put in here, click the button, click the box for an additional entry. That takes them to obviously ManyChat. There's a whole other series set up in ManyChat in there as well, which we'll talk about some other day. Basically, I want their email address. This one funnel this year has generated 1,500 email addresses, and I'm only spending $5 a day. At some other point, we'll go through Facebook advertising. I will show the front end of this again and how it's going to work out at about 40 to 50 cents per lead to get people to here. Now, after they go through here, they click it into the button, it goes to the thank you page. You have some terms and conditions below. Now, think of it this way. A website does not do this. A website is a place to showcase your business, about you sections, what you do, who you are. That's great. A funnel has a sole purpose, is to sell a product or service or promote. So in this case, the person that comes here is of a fitness orientation and does like sports watches. So therefore, I can take them on a logical journey and I can offer them next some fitness programs. I can offer them a sports bag. I can offer them some tutorials on, in this day and age, as we know, training at home. There's loads of avenues that I can take this particular prospect once they enter in here through the logical journey. Right now, other things we can do in ClickFunnels, because not everybody will resonate with what I'm talking about. So basically, in your typical account, you can hit a button here and go build funnels. What happens is I can take you to the cookbook. Now, I'm going to slow down here because if you're not familiar with ClickFunnels, you're going to go, what is the cookbook? Now, this is what you get. This particular one is when you click here, the get your free copy. That comes in as a PDF version straight away. Personally, I printed it until this beautiful book turned up. Now, what is the purpose of this book? This book goes through every single funnel you would pretty much want. Now, in this case, Russell Brunson, who's the owner of ClickFunnels, has put together 22 funnel structures that you can follow. So simply, you just pull out what you want to do. It explains how to build each element and section and row and what you want. Now, on top of that, once you go into the funnel, build the funnel area, it even helps you even further. So let's stick to B2B, a professional service, trying to get leads for businesses, or you're a lawyer or an accountant or something like that. Click B2B, come down here. You want to generate a lead. This has pre-made funnels for you already. So for the use of this, let's just do a lead magnet funnel. Just hit select. It'll come across and there'll be an option for free funnels, an option for paid funnels. Now, Russell, being the awesome guy that he is, he gives you a quick tutorial video here of what it's about and how it can benefit your business, and a quick description. I'll let you read that in your own mind. You can also click on here, which will take you to the actual map of the funnel, and it'll basically break down the lead magnet funnel and a basic term how it works. Now that represents the same picture within your cookbook. So let's get out of that for a second and go back here. So with this below, we have a number of free funnels. These are all profitable funnels. They work very, very well. They're extremely easy to view, to make a decision which one you want. To alter the funnel is very, very simple. I'm not going to go through that today. Just trying to explain what ClickFunnels is and how it can benefit. Now, if I was to take a step back, because we just went for lead generation there, we can start again. Let's say you have a product or service in mind. Let's get rid of these here. So pretty much we can go in and say, okay, we are e-commerce. So click that. Then you can say generate sell a product. So back to my watch. And again, it selects typically the best formats. The two-step tripwire funnel is a very good one. We'll pull that up and have a quick look at that. And again, you haven't selected a funnel yet. You're just trying to figure out what suits you. So, you know, this one's got 4 pages, typically 4 pages, take you an hour to construct it. Follow the cookbook, follow the funnel map. Again, come in here and you pick one that's relevant. You can change it completely. The front page, the upsell page, all that. Now, some of this terminology may not be relevant to you. Don't worry. We'll go through it. Now, if you really wanted to, you can come down here and do a bit of investigating on a paid funnel. Now, it depends how you look at it. The way I see it is, no matter what, you still have to alter the funnel. So for me, I like going in, grabbing one of these templates, and making it mine. So that, in a nutshell, is what is ClickFunnels and how it benefits you as a business or online business, a tangible business, and how all that works. Now, again, once you want to join and download the free cookbook, it's very simple. One click of a button. Go through here. It's the top 22 sales funnels inside of the cookbook. You just simply go through them, like I said. That will give you all the information you need. So I'm going to say that's enough for today because I don't want to overwhelm you. Thanks very much for coming along, having a look. Now below there'll be a few links for a 14-day trial for ClickFunnels. If you were to go and do some research, jump in and do the 14-day trial. Get ready in 2 weeks. And I've just shown you in less than 10 minutes how to build a funnel. In 2 weeks, you could set aside, join ClickFunnels, go in, do exactly what I just showed you. Grab the cookbook, build out your funnel frame. Within ClickFunnels, there is extra traffic sources on how to do Facebook ads and that type of thing, depending on what type of account you have. Now, in less than 2 weeks, you can have a funnel up and going, connected to your Facebook page or whatever it is you want to do, Google Ads, and you can start generating some leads or some sales, simple as that. And you still haven't paid for the ClickFunnels suite. So down below, there'll be a few links. Jump in there. There's also a couple of links with a one funnel away challenge, which Russell and the team take you through the entire process in 30 days. It's a few hours a day. That's all it takes. They give you all the information. They actually give you the funnels. You still have your 14-day trial. Sign up. So basically, you can get in there, learn from the top funnel builders on the planet. They'll take you through the copy. They'll take you through everything. 30 days, you'll have a profitable funnel. If you follow all the steps, keep yourself accountable, turn up to the trainings. I've done it. It's fantastic. I wish you all the luck, and we'll chat soon. See ya.